Hello everyone, this is Joe Lamboli, and this is my next blog on the Clark Hall scenario. The idea of transforming the traditional classroom-based school building into a dynamic and engaging learning space is fascinating. Reading about the example of Clark Hall in Gahanna, Ohio, where they designed the school to be more like a co-working facility than a typical high school, was inspiring. Especially inspiring since I grew up about 20 minutes away from Gahanna, Ohio. Clark Hall's design follows the principles of student-centered learning, specifically focused on project-based learning. The space is designed to encourage collaboration and mimics places where students are already familiar with. For example, Starbucks, any other coffee shop, media centers, youth buildings and churches. They have a variety of seating choices and are using technology tools that are familiar and relevant to them, such as laptops, mobile devices, and applications, including high-speed Wi-Fi. This setup gives students the choice of where and how to be creative and think outside of the traditional classroom box, where they would sit at desks in rows for up to 50 minutes at a time. In my ideal school, the learning space would encourage creativity and collaboration among students, teachers, and members of the community. All the physical elements, color schemes, seating choices, space for walking around from one area to another, would support this collaboration, learning, and break away from the traditional classroom model. As Scheniger notes, blended learning is where students use tech to have control over path, place, and pace. Students would not be required to show up so much in a classroom at a specific time. Instead, they were working independently or collaborating with a group. Teachers are readily available as facilitators and mentors, and students can easily ask for help with collaboration projects. However, teachers also are going to be engaging in their own collaborative content, sharing sessions with other teachers, modeling lifelong learning and collaborations for students. Another critical part of my ideal school would be that the trade, technical skills, and business skills are equally represented and valued and taught alongside academics and arts. Trade skills such as metalworks, welding, carpentry, automotive repair, electrical, plumbing, agricultural, and networking and programming skills would be incorporated into a curriculum path. With this approach, I believe it would be easy to engage stakeholders in the community. Local and national businesses would contribute supplies and equipment as needed to support the school, especially in the trades where they could set up apprenticeships for students. Local business leaders, such as the Chamber of Commerce, could donate time to give, for example, TED Talks on business skills and offer internships to students. Beyond the obvious benefits for students, this model is also a win for these businesses. The structure helps solve the irresponsible teenage worker issue that plagues many service businesses by putting a face to the company, encouraging more buy-in and commitment to working at the business. Overall, I believe these blended learning spaces will be the model that will be most relevant and engaging for 21st century learners, and will help expand the concept of education beyond our default experience of school. Thank you.